Bluetooth issues may occur on Samsung devices from time to time, but the good news is that the majority of these issues can be easily resolved. Here, we'll teach you how to troubleshoot if your Samsung phone or tablet is unable to connect or pair with another Bluetooth-enabled gadget. The first step in troubleshooting a broken Bluetooth connection is to make sure that your device has Bluetooth turned on. It's possible that some users have forgotten to turn on Bluetooth, which would explain why a second device cannot connect. If you confirm that Bluetooth has been working during the whole process, you'll want to just switch it off and then back on for a few seconds. Sometimes, this simple method is enough to establish a connection, particularly after a new software update. Bluetooth devices may be linked in a variety of ways. The second device may only work if your phone is physically touched to the first one, which may need typing a code into your phone. While the process of turning on Bluetooth on most Samsung devices is almost universal, it may not be the same for other third-party devices. For some, pressing and holding a button to connect to another Bluetooth device is necessary. It's best to check the device's instructions or conduct some online research before trying to link it with your Samsung phone or tablet. Fits very well with the second proposal. What you need to do is make sure that both devices are Bluetooth compatible. When it comes to Samsung Galaxy smartphones and tablets, most can connect to Bluetooth devices even if they utilize earlier versions of the technology. Incompatibility may be at fault if you can't get another device to connect to your Samsung device, despite your best efforts, as Bluetooth connection or pairing is usually always simple. Please conduct some research on the device you're attempting to connect to your Samsung in order to see whether there is a compatibility problem. Restarting your Samsung phone or tablet might also help if you're having Bluetooth issues. Forcing a restart of any Samsung smartphone is as simple as pressing and holding the power button for around 30 seconds, depending on the model. A restart may only take 12 seconds for certain of these machines. A damaged app cache or data might cause issues with your Samsung Bluetooth app, just as it would with any other Android app. As a first step in troubleshooting the Bluetooth app, we recommend deleting the app's cache. It's okay to wipe its Bluetooth apps data if that doesn't help. To clear an app's cache, go to the home screen, tap Apps icon, open Settings app, tap Apps. If you're looking for a system or default app, tap on More Settings at the upper right. Select Show System Apps. Find and tap the Bluetooth app. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache button. Restart the device and check for the problem. After clearing the app cache and the issue still occurs, try to clear its data and see if that solves the problem. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making sure that Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.